Welcome to Salesforce training. In this demonstration, we're going to learn about contacts on the mobile device. With Salesforce Mobile, you have access to all the same information as you do on your laptop. To access contacts, click the navigation menu, scroll down to the Contacts tab, and then tap Contacts. You will see the most recent contacts and your list views. Click the All Contacts list view to display all of your contacts. You will notice the Filter, Sort, and Add New Action buttons at the bottom of the screen. To reduce the number of records to scroll through, tap the filter icon. You can add a single or multiple filters. Once complete, tap Apply. To remove a filter, tap the filter icon, click the X next to the filter, and then tap Apply to remove the filter. You can choose to sort the list results in either ascending or descending order by tapping the field to sort. Before creating a new contact in Salesforce, you should always perform a global search to ensure that the contact is not currently in the system as either a contact or a lead. Now that we know that our contact does not currently exist in the system, we can add the contact by tapping the new icon under Contacts. When creating a new contact, you must associate the contact with an account and add as much information as you know, including the required fields. The contact name, email, and phone number are all required fields as indicated by the red asterisk. While details like the role and contact type are not required, it is a good idea to enter that information as soon as you can. Click Save, and you'll be returned to the contact record. In the main body of the contact record are the Details, Related, and Feed tab. The Details section shows all the contact details arranged by relevant section. The Related tab shows additional records associated with the contact, like related accounts, sales calls, notes, and files. You can add a contact to more than one account by tapping the Add Relationship button when a contact has a different role and responsibility with multiple accounts. From the Feed tab, you can follow this record and post and view comments across the organization. At the bottom of the screen, action buttons allow you to edit, post to chatter, attach a file, create a new task, or access the menu for more options like adding a sales call record. Go to the Salesforce CRM Connections community for more videos, user guides, and support.